Welcome to our Everything You Need to Know About Cleaning video, where we will guide you through how the housekeeping team works and what to expect here at Houst.
Here at Houst, we have a large team of housekeepers that operate within each of our localities to ensure that we're never too far away from keeping your property spick and span. Whilst we can't guarantee that the same cleaner will be arriving at your property every single time, our systems are working hard to prioritise both the best cleaners based on their previous ratings and the cleaners that have been at your property before.
We supply all the linen and towels for your property, including duvet covers, mattress covers, pillowcases, bath mats and towels, and tea towels. All you need to do is provide the bedding.
Guests pay for any cleans that are booked during or after their stay, and this is included in the total booking fee. You, the host, will only ever pay for the first clean, which takes place before your first guest. Should you wish to, however, you can request additional cleans by our team after you or any family members or friends have stayed at the property. This is chargeable, but some hosts prefer to do so in preparation for their next guests.
As part of our cleaning fee, the standard cleans include vacuuming, dusting, tidying all the rooms, wiping down appliances, and making all the beds. They'll be using fresh, hotel quality linen every time and ensuring old linen is removed, collected, and serviced for another stay. Housekeepers will also take any images of damages and replace basic amenities such as shower gel or shampoo. The standard fee covers all the basics, but for busier homes with a higher volume of bookings, we recommend booking in a deep clean every 2 to 3 months. These can be organised by our team and carried out by external partner companies who are pros at tackling larger tasks such as removing mould and mildew, descaling appliances, cleans of walls, upholstery, rugs and carpet cleaning. This is a recommended process to ensure that your property stays in its best condition and we retain those all-important high guest ratings.
You're more than welcome to book a clean with our housekeeping team via your dashboard at any time during your journey with us. All we ask is that the next time you open up your calendar, you remember to book in a clean once you leave so we can get your property ready for the next guest to check in.
After each clean has been completed by one of our housekeepers, photos will be taken of the entire property and uploaded to your Houst dashboard. Head over to the Cleans tab and select Previous Cleans to view the time-stamped images. This allows you to keep an eye on your property after each booking.
Once your clean has been requested, a spray bottle symbol will appear in the top right-hand corner of your Houst calendar, corresponding with the scheduled clean date. Alternatively, pop over to the Cleans tab so you can see the full list of your upcoming cleans, the date and what time they are due to take place.
Before your onboarding meeting, you will have been sent our essential items list, which includes a full breakdown of all the items you need to provide before you can start accepting guests. This includes cleaning supplies and appliances. Once you have started receiving guests, our housekeepers will use the cleaning products you provide and replenish them once they run out, with the cost of replenishment covered by the cleaning fee paid by guests.
Under the upcoming clean section on your Houst account, you can have special tasks, cleaning requirements and instructions to your account. However, please be aware that the completion of these tasks is dependent on the housekeeper's schedule, the length of the clean itself and the check-in time of the next guests. But rest assured, our cleaning team are committed to ensuring the upkeep of your property after each guest visit.
If you have booked a clean for your property and need to cancel it for any reason, head over to the Cleans tab on your Houst dashboard and click on the waste bin symbol within 72 hours of the scheduled clean. If your clean is scheduled to take place within the 72-hour window, you will need to contact your client success team directly to proceed with the cancellation. If your clean is cancelled within 48 hours of when it is due to take place, a late notice fee will be charged to your account.
Our cleaning fees are constantly reviewed and updated as we benchmark against other companies within the industry, ensuring our prices always remain competitive. By charging a separate cleaning fee, your nightly rates can remain competitive while we consistently maintain high standards of cleanliness, positive reviews, and high ratings.
Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hosting with you soon.